1517 Kimberly, padlock renovation. The handle for the screen door is broken, needs to be replaced. The mesh is torn, needs to be repaired or replaced. Wooden board up under the front porch overhang is missing, needs to be replaced. Doorbell is not working, needs to be repaired. Missing light glue. Large crack with a hole underneath the windowsill, needs to be checked out and repaired. As you can see, it's going to be a large trash out. Clothes, furniture, household goods. The unit's also going to need to be fully painted. There's markings, holes, and stains throughout. That's going to include majority of the ceilings and doors and door casings as well. The carpets, several stains throughout and tears. I don't think the stains will come up. It needs to be checked out as well. A piece of broken tile for the fireplace. Needs to be repaired or replaced. Hairline cracks and damage to the wall. Unit's also going to need to be sprayed for bugs. More stains on the carpets. Replace all blinds, total of 14. Broken, missing, or is dirty. There's mildew stains in the refrigerator. May come clean. Missing cabinet, drawers, and knobs. Needs to be replaced. I don't know if you can see in the video, there's a large amount of trash in the downstairs area as well. Needs to be removed. There also may be more repairs after the trash out. And the lights get fixed. Paint's peeling on the door cases. It's a large hump in the bedroom floor. Not sure for the cause of it. Needs to be checked out and repaired. Cracked window pane. It's got a water stain and possible mildew stains. Need to be checked out and repaired. There's no AC filter. One needs to be installed. Not sure if this is a closet. Missing sink stopper. Needs to be replaced. Missing towel rack. Needs to be replaced. Vent in the bathroom's coming down. Needs to be reinstalled. Back into the shower. It's coming from the wall. Needs to be repaired. More damage to the walls. Another cracked window pane. Handprints on the walls. Another broken and cracked window pane. Missing another white glue. That's about it.